Hey there, today I have a really fun item to show you. It's functional and it's decor and it's gorgeous. Let me thank the brand for sending it to me as a sample for review so I can show it to you. Now let me show you what I love about this. First of all, let's start at the base. Heavy iron base, very substantial. It's going to stand up. It's not going to fall over. This is not a flimsy little lamp. On the bottom we have felt, so it'll protect your table or wherever you decide to put it. Then we move up to the really gorgeous, sustainably sourced bamboo. I mean, let me go in closer. That's so pretty and so sturdy and so strong. And then all the way up to the hammered metal base. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to show you how I unboxed it and put it together at the end of this video because it took seconds. And I'd rather show you how we can use it. Let's go see. Okay, standing at 15 inches tall, this is just useful anywhere. You can put it on a buffet table. We have it here on an end table. I'm turning it on with the button and it is at its highest, 150 lumens. I'm using the remote control to dim it a little bit if you want some mood lighting. Or here we go, back up again. Let's go see where else we can use it. Here on the fireplace, looks gorgeous here too. And it puts a nice soft light into this room where you sometimes don't want a lot of bright light. So pretty, look at that. Here in the bedroom, really, really nice on this side table. How about here in the bar to add some mood lighting? And lastly, let's check this out. Okay, as you can see, it lights up the table. It's pretty, it's romantic, and it takes the place of a typical candle, and it has some style, decor, and function. It's really cool. Thank you to the brand, and thank you for watching. Okay, let's connect the bamboo stem, which is very pretty, to this very substantial, heavy felt covered on the bottom base by simply screwing it in. Next, we're going to connect the lamp bulb to the bamboo stem, same way. All the pieces are very nice and heavy. This is not a flimsy lamp in any way. Now we're going to remove this little cap at the top. I'm going to grab this hammered metal shade, which I think is gorgeous. And we're going to go ahead and put it right here on top and attach. And I kid you not, gorgeous little lamp in minutes. Check this out.